Well guys, I have been working hard today. This is from a tree service. They're giving me all the wood that they're cutting. This is just a light little fraction of it that I'm getting. And this is 3 truck and trailer loads. Probably doesn't look like that much on the ground. It might be maybe 1.25 to a full cord. I mean, face cord, 1.25 to maybe 3 face cord, maybe a full cord. I won't know until I split it, or cut it, and stack it. Most of it's green. There's some dry stuff in here that I'll be able to use this year, but down in there. And then over here, that's not all. Over here, I got delivered a mess of logs that'll be good for next year. And we got a decent little stack of wood here. I can't get in there with my body right now because of all the branches. We got a decent little stack, and those are some big pieces. That's some big stuff. That's some big stuff. So here's a couple face, 2, 3, 4, 5 face cord probably at least. I mean, these are 8-foot logs by 5 foot high in the middle. So, and that's just the beginning. I'm going to go back and see if there's another load waiting for me. Probably will be. This they brought over. And then that's not all. Hold on a minute. Over here is a pile of mulch dumped off for free. So a lot of this stuff is, you know, free for the asking. If you ask somebody, and you know, they're in an area, I can't see my camera now at this angle, they'll often dump it for you because it saves them gas money and trouble loading. A lot of this is I see there's some pine in the back section, so you had a little bit of pine in there, but most of this is oak, really good and pretty well chipped. So that's going to be very, very good stuff. So we got some work to do processing all this. Well, my pile is growing. It is quite a nice pile of wood now. I just brought home another, I don't know, face cord and a half, maybe 2 face cord. So I was to here. I've just added all this on. Some of this is good for this year. Very good. Look at that. Very nice stuff. So that'll be it for this day. This is all that we're doing today, but a pretty good day. Oh, I'm back. I started unloading and I realized, oh, I forgot the camera. I just put 4 sticks on here and a bunch of little pieces. I've got probably, they're loosely loaded, so I probably have a face cord on here. And it's good. It's all good. It's loosely stacked, so, but still, I got a little bit of wood here. It's hard to tell because of how loose it's thrown up here till I saw it out. But this pile is going to be extended today. And over here, this pile has doubled. That's nice. That is so nice. Resources. Resources for the homestead. I like it. Perfect time for winterizing our gardens too. Our herb beds and everything else. I like it. So a lot of that'll break down nice. And as long as you don't work it into the soil, it doesn't rob the nitrogen really. It works out all right. I've studied it a lot, and it'll work out. It'll be able to decompose all winter long and keep our perennials alive. So I just got another delivery. That might be a couple full cord. It's at least a full cord and a half. It might be 2. I'll have to get the the measure out. It's about 4.5 foot tall, definitely more than 8 foot long, and the logs are 8 foot long each, so that's a big pile. And that's on top of yesterday's pile. You can't see it in there, can you? Yesterday's pile. So I won't know until I measure it and cut it out, but I'm gonna guess 2.5, 3 full cord of wood. So up to 9 face on these two piles. We'll see when I get it cut up. That's not a top priority for cutting because it's green, but I want to get it stacked and see. I want to know how much is it. Look at that. This pile has grown taller, wider, and longer. There's a couple full cord right there. So I can't wait to start sawing that stuff up and see how much wood I got. But I don't have time right now because there's another job I can go to and get more. So I gotta quick grab some food and get back on the road and go get some more. Well guys, back again, my second time this afternoon. This has a lot of dead stuff on it. So I brought it in. I'm gonna process this and get it up. Not tonight, I'm starting to feel tired. I hung with the big boys today and I'm tired. So I really got a lot of stuff in today. So I've got a trailer load here, got a tiny bit here, but this is my second load. I had the truck filled up earlier and the trailer heaping earlier. And I got another delivery of big stuff, so let's go out and have a look. My pile is wider and longer. There's a lot of good stuff in here. Ready to go this year. I gotta get that processed. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another. There's another. There's another. Oh, look at all that in there. All that good dead stuff. There's another. There's another. Another. Ready to go. All good stuff. This whole last batch that I did, all of this in the end was almost all dead stuff that I threw up on there. That is gonna be good. So I'll be processing that really soon. I think it's getting cold because my tongue is not functioning well. There's, oh look at that, dead wood. Gonna be good for this year. Dead wood, really, really exciting stuff. Huge pile of wood. Oh, look at that. But that's not all. There's a beauty I had to put off the side for me. Look at the size of that. The camera doesn't quite do it justice. It just looks bigger than it does. There you go. That gives you an idea. That is nice. That thing is screaming coffee table or maybe a bar top or something. That is really nice. I'm going to run that on the Alaskan mill. I think that would break my sawmill. I just think it would break my sawmill. But that's going on the Alaskan mill. I know over here, this pile has grown. Let me stop my jerkiness a minute. Look at this. Look at this pile of wood. That is insane. Isn't that exciting? Wow. All sitting here waiting on me. Look at that. This is dry, people. This is amazing. Look at this one. Ready for this year. Ready for this year. Ready for this year. Look at that. This is good stuff. That one's dead. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that. That's dry inside. Just cut that, split it, let it sit for a week or two. That's going to be ready to go. Look at that one. That one. These are all dead. This was from a dead oak that died, this spring or last year. It died recently. And look at that. It's all ready to go. So most of this here, look at that one, that one, that one, that one. That's all dead oak. Sorry, I can't follow them. I'm so excited I'm out following my hands. From here on forward, that's all dead oak. This was all delivered this afternoon. All of this from the one tree we did. Well, they did. I was just there hauling on the branches. I don't even know, I'm going to have to measure this, but that's over a little over 4 foot high. I don't even know how long. I can't even guess. That's a few full cord right there. A few. Really nice. Some of these I might want to save for the sawmill. These big boys. I don't see any staining in it. There's no guarantee. But if you get some that are up higher on the tree, then you know you're going to be pretty much safer bet that there's no metal. That one is a little bit lower on the tree. But some of these I might try to run on the mill or run on the Alaskan mill. If I could slab them out with the Alaskan mill and haul the slabs in, because these are heavy. I don't know if I can get them over to the mill. Anyway, there we go, guys. What a day. Tomorrow morning there's another delivery from the one of the biggest trees I've seen yet is going to be delivered in the morning. And well, for you it'll be well, by the time you're seeing this video, I'll probably be getting that delivery. And don't forget that pile that was delivered first. That was the first batch. At least a full cord. A little bit more. Awesome, exciting stuff. I gotta go unload the truck. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming tomorrow. Wow. Talk to y'all later.